You guys know I'm not the one to pay retail, but I'm on board with getting the luxe look for less. I'm sharing 3 inspired designer decorative trays that you can do using the Cricut Explorer 3. Share with you something that I thought was kind of pretty amazing to me. Years ago, I did a DIY Chanel tray. I'll insert a picture of it right now. You guys may remember it. If you're new to my channel, I did this many years ago and it went viral. Well, I say all that to say this. I knew nothing about Cricut back then. Cricut came out in 2003 and I knew nothing about it, oddly enough. But thank God I know about it now because I'm gonna share 3 DIY trays that I'm gonna share with you guys. The thing about that project was that I had printed it out and I cut each letter out with really tiny scissors, and it was so tedious, but it came out so beautiful. But now I could do it a lot quicker, a lot less work, and faster. I'm using the Cricut 3 that's smarter and faster than ever. When you come up with your game plan, head over to Cricut Design Space to find your image that you want to upload and cut. I'm doing 3 different images, but the steps are pretty much the same. I found the Chanel logo on Google and went under images to find the one that I want to cut for my personal use. Download it, save it to your computer. This image is simple and very easy, and I really want to stress that if you're intimidated by it, don't be. It's really simple, you guys. I'm saving it as a cut image, and I'm inserting the image into my canvas where I want to size it to whatever size I need. I have 3 different trays that I'm going to add my designs on. This blush pink tray is modern in style but contemporary with the brush metal handles, and this orange tray that will add a distinctive accent and chicness to your space with the gold detail on the rim, and the classic acrylic tray that's perfect for any space. Let's get to work. Maker 3 cuts 300 plus materials, making it easier. My favorite thing about creating projects is that you don't have to use a mat. I can manage my materials so much better with the new roll holder, and it can hold up to a 75-foot roll of material. No manual adjustments at all, you guys. And best of all, it has a built-in trimmer to make sure you get a straight edge every time. My design is done. It's really hard to tell, but it's been cut. Trust me, it's there, you guys. Right now, I'm peeling off what I don't need and weeding the smaller pieces, preparing it to add my transfer tape. Always cut your tape bigger than your design to make sure you have enough to cover your project. Place the transfer tape on top of the design, sticky side top. I'm using the scraper tool, working it in so I can easily pull it up. This is where you really want to take your time, pulling it off really slow, making sure that it's on. I'm using the scraper tool to make sure that it's on the tray and peel off your transfer tape. I've added my tray to my makeup vanity, blending function and style with the rest of our bathroom decor, my favorite perfumes and lotions, and my white makeup brushes that I use for display. My orange Hermes tray, I may be pronouncing it wrong, but you know what I mean. It came out perfectly. They make products around leather, lifestyle accessories, home furnishings, and jewelry, everything luxury, and I needed a pop of color for my coffee table, and this tray set the stage. I'm using this orange tray, and you can get it from Wayfair or Amazon. And I'm using the Cricut Removable Smart Vinyl. Again, using no mat, just load and go. It really took no time at all, you guys. There's a lot of detail with this image, and the speed, power, and precision just gave me the perfect cuts. After placing my transfer tape sticky side top on my image, I'm using the scraper tool to smooth my material to remove any air bubbles or wrinkles. I'm peeling off the image to place onto the tray, and there you have it, a luxurious look for a lot less. The iconic Chanel tray that not only matches my style, but my budget. This image is larger than the others, which made it so much easier to make. Again, following the same steps I shared in the beginning of the video. I hope this has inspired you to make beautiful things that you love. I will provide clickable links down below to Cricut for your shopping convenience, and I want to thank you all for watching.